Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. So I created this pink, shimmery, beautiful summer eye look using the new Nouveau palette by Anastasia of Beverly Hills. It is French for new. These are the beautiful shimmer shades, perfect for summer. You have a pop of color, lavender, absolutely stunning. And so I used the pink shades in the palette to come up with this look. And be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. This video is not sponsored. I purchased this palette myself, and we're just going to jump right into the tutorial. On Ariel 811, I'm going to go in with the matte light pink Fleer. And I'm going to blend this all over my crease area. Using windshield wiper motions, keeping it nice and low and in my crease. These mattes blend out beautifully, super pigmented, buttery, and this pink is a really good crease shade because it's not too harsh. Sometimes pink eyeshadows can make you look sick, but this one is just a really good natural matte pink shade. And just making sure they're nice and even. And on an Ariel A29, I'm going to take the matte darker pink called Metro. And this is like a darker matte salmon shade, and I'm going to put this right into my crease and outer V. Super pigmented, look at that, super pigmented. Just gonna blend this in to my outer V as well. We're really keeping it out here in the outest part of my eye, not passing my iris, keeping it out here. I did drag it in just a tad right in here, but really focusing it out here. And this brush is perfect because it's like I can get into my crease here and then turn it sideways and blend it into my outer V. These are the Ariel Morphe brushes, so I'll have them linked below, and I absolutely love them. I'm gonna do the same thing to my other eye. Making sure they're matching, blending it into my outer crease, and then blending into my outer V. Formula of shadows are just so amazing. They're always buttery smooth, which they're very powdery, which creates like a lot of fallout, but I don't mind that because they end up looking so great on the eye, and they are such a fine shadow that just happens. They'll just become powdery like that when the eyeshadow is formulated so fine. But that's also why they blend out so nice. And I just love her eyeshadow palettes. Back in with the Ariel A11 in the shade Fleer. I'm just gonna kind of blend out the edges of that pink here. It's kind of my favorite way to blend out the edges, just taking the shade you first went in with and just blending it right on top of, there we go. I'm gonna take my finger, and the shade LiLi is this beautiful pink, shimmery, glittery shade. It's absolutely stunning. And I'm gonna put that on the inner half of my eyelid here. So pretty, oh my gosh. This shadow is everything. It looks totally different when it's on your eye. It has this like gold green glitter in it. It is just so pretty. I absolutely love this palette. Like, these shades are so pretty and stunning. Like, this is such a glam look, and it was super easy and simple to create. Her palettes always have the best shades. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I purchased this palette myself. I just love her formula. I love the shades. I just love her palettes. They're so stunning. And you know what? I was gonna go in with Isla, but I don't think I will. Or Isla. I was gonna go with Isla, but I love the way this looks just like this. It is so pretty to me. Like, I'm tempted to go in with the shadow wet, but I think it just looks great the way it is, you know? Stunning. Taking the Ariel A29, I'm gonna go back in with the shade Metro, which is that darker pink salmon shade, and I'm gonna blend that into my outer V. Brush and dust away the fallout. Take a small highlighting brush in the shade Paloma, which is the matte vanilla shade. Highlight my brow bone. I'm gonna take this shade Isla. It's like a peach pink light shimmer. I was gonna put this on this look, but I just can't get over how pretty the shade LiLi is. It's so stunning. So I'm just gonna take that shimmer and highlight my inner corner with it, because it is like a peachy pink shade. And then just drag it down here. Actually gonna go in with LiLi. Stunning pink shimmer. I'm just obsessed. And I'm gonna put that on my bottom lash line just a tad, just to add a little extra shimmer. So I just can't get over how pretty that shadow is. Just like that. And then I'm gonna add some nude eyeliner. This is LA Girl Super Bright Eyeliner. I'm gonna just dab my eye with my eyeliner. Hands down, love this Super Bright LA Girl nude eyeliner. It is so good. To apply some Maybelline Sky High mascara and then some Ardel Demi Wispie lashes. Alright guys, that completes this look. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.